I got the blades on the 1920s Emerson long knives. It looks pretty good. Still have to work on the down rod and a couple of little things. There it is. Seems like a nice, smooth, powerful fan. Less medium. Definitely slower. And then slow. Turn it off. Those are the original blades. I cleaned them and oiled them. They were a little dusty looking. You can see the irons, I just did a copper plate with like a lacquer. I was going to oxidize it, but it just seemed like it would look better as copper. Yeah, it turned out pretty good. And I have the adjustable down rod with the rope brass tube on it, and a Easter egg joint cover, which I'll post when I get it done. And there it is. That's a speed coil up top.